Holistic nutrition takes a comprehensive approach, acknowledging the intricate connection between the mind, body, and spirit. By recognizing this interplay, holistic nutritionists promote overall well-being by addressing all aspects of an individual's health. Emphasizing the consumption of whole, natural foods rich in essential nutrients is a cornerstone of this approach. These foods provide the body with vital nourishment, supporting optimal function and vitality. Furthermore, holistic nutrition strives to achieve balance in physical, emotional, and spiritual health, recognizing that these components are deeply interconnected in promoting a state of holistic wellness. Holistic nutrition underscores the importance of choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide the body with a wide array of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By prioritizing these foods over processed options, individuals can optimize their health and well-being. Emphasizing organic and locally sourced ingredients ensures that the food consumed is free from harmful chemicals and supports local farmers and sustainable practices. Mindful eating techniques, such as paying attention to hunger cues and savoring each bite, foster a deeper connection with food and promote healthier eating habits, contributing to overall wellness. Holistic nutrition offers a range of benefits that positively impact overall health and well-being. By consuming nutrient-dense foods and prioritizing whole ingredients, individuals can experience improved energy levels and enhanced vitality, allowing them to thrive throughout the day. Additionally, focusing on holistic nutrition promotes better digestion and gut health, leading to more efficient nutrient absorption and a stronger immune system. This approach also aids in reducing inflammation in the body, which can contribute to better overall health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Embarking on a holistic nutrition journey involves making gradual shifts towards incorporating more whole, nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet. By focusing on whole foods, individuals can fuel their bodies with essential nutrients and promote better overall health. Experimenting with various cooking methods and recipes allows for a diverse and enjoyable eating experience, making holistic nutrition more sustainable in the long run. For personalized guidance and support in navigating this dietary approach, considering consulting a holistic nutritionist can provide tailored recommendations and strategies to help you achieve your health goals. Holistic nutrition not only focuses on food but also incorporates key lifestyle factors for overall well-being. Stress management and sufficient sleep play crucial roles in supporting holistic health, as they directly impact the body's ability to function optimally and maintain balance. Engaging in regular physical activity complements holistic nutrition by promoting strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health, contributing to an overall healthy lifestyle. Additionally, a positive mindset and self-care practices, such as mindfulness and relaxation techniques, are essential components of holistic well-being, nurturing both mental and emotional health.